Hey everybody, this is Eric Clark Travel Videos, and I'm here at Meat and Justice. It's supposed to be the oldest grilling place in Lviv, and so it's on the tourist list. So what's Eric gonna do? He's gonna get spanked here. No, just gonna eat. Okay, bye-bye. Okay, so this is Meat and Justice, and you can sit anywhere. There's nobody here. I think it just opened about 11 minutes ago, and this is the jazz festival that starts, I think, tonight on the 24th. Yep, 24th, 27th. So I don't know what all that says, but it says something. But they're getting ready here too. They're gonna have jazz stuff, and so this is Meat and Justice. So I don't know. I guess I just pull up a chair and they'll come and take care of me. So how about lucky number 5? 5 is my lucky number, so we'll do number 5. Back here in the back. That way I can see what's going on and see all the empty tables. Bye everybody. Okay, I'm changing tables because there is absolutely not a bit of breeze, but I see these plants over here blowing. So I'm gonna go to this other table 5 just because there might be a breeze that I can stay a little cooler. So I'll sit over here. How's that? Okay.
Menu careful.
Oh, this is the menu.
Yeah.
Okay. Okay, thank you. Okay, well, the beer and the plate came, so, and it's a Zinnik beer, I don't know, I don't know. Okay, I guess we're just waiting for the meal. Bye. So this is what the insides look like, and it really is a grill, and so they grill things. And they grill the burgers too. That's kind of cool. And I think that's my chicken right there. 3 big chunks of chicken, and that one looks like looks really good. Vegetables and meat and stuff. Very cool. Okay. Well, we're gonna see how this goes. Here's the rest of the insides of the restaurant too. Cool. Okay, this is chicken shashka. So I guess that's barbecue sauce, and I guess the bread is the tortilla, and it's covered in onions and is that basil? I don't even know what that is, but it's big chunks of chicken, and so anyway, let's give it a try. Bye-bye. Okay, so this is the chicken. Sorry, I end up looking at the plate and the food and not the camera, so I'm shooting my leg or something. But so I'm gonna take this and I'm gonna dip it in the barbecue sauce and lose some of my onions, but that's okay. Oops, I keep watching the oh, now I made a mess. Jesus. Okay, anyway. Here we go. Ready? Interesting barbecue sauce. Very good. Okay. I know my mama told me not to eat with my mouth full, but how do you eat and show you guys without eating with your mouth full? Or talking with your mouth full? I guess you should always eat with your mouth full. Or at least partially full. Sorry, and then I'm not looking at the camera one more time. Okay, here we go. Wonderful. Okay. Bye, everybody.